Alright, Tubes. I'm over here with my buddy Road King.
Don't do that!
Oh. And we're working on this Ford here. We're thinking about trying to get a horn hooked up in it so that that way we're completely street legal. Because we wired up our turn signals the other day. So that's good. Look at that.
I mean, it had brass.
That's a nice turn signal lever.
Because it was hitting. You know, the other one had more of a V shape to it.
Well, that's that wheel you just restored.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Beep, beep, beep.
It's good.
But we can't put a horn here because it doesn't have any guts.
Yeah.
Doesn't even have a hole to go through.
Right.
So we're poop out of luck.
Yep.
Okay, so we'll just get a button and put it somewhere that I could reach.
Right.
Like, down there, like beep beep. Beep beep beep.
All right. Well, I was thinking maybe we should see if it's got horns in it first. I think it does. I think I remember seeing them.
Okay.
But we better verify that, and then once we verify that, we better see if they work.
Right. You sure it's on there?
Yeah, it's on there. Oh man!
Holy jeez, dude! I can't hear you. Let me try this one.
Try this side. Yeah, I think they ought to both have went off.
Well,
because they ought to be wired.
Maybe I don't know if they are.
They ought to be wired together.
Well, everything is dirty here, buddy. So.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were playing with me for a second there. I know how you kids get. Okay.
I don't think that side works.
No, this side ain't working. Alright, maybe we'll find something to replace them or just get the one working.
Yeah. Alright, so I did a little investigation here, and it appears that what's going on here is we got this wire.
You might need Big Larry, buddy.
Big Larry.
Big Larry.
Oh,
here we go.
Man.
What are we looking at? Here we go.
Okay, that's better.
Yeah.
Alright, anyway, we got this wire that comes from the horn right here, and then that's kind of spliced into this thicker wire here. So the one side just goes over there to the other horn, and then this one, this red wire, looks like it follows through this loom here, and then it kind of comes out of the loom halfway, and it's going into the cab right here. So it should be pretty easy to just go under the dash, and one of us can pull on this wire, and the other person can look and see where it's going under there.
Okay.
Let's do that.
let's that person going under the dash. Let's have to be you.
Okay.
Instead of me.
Good idea. Okay, I see it. Alright, so we're under the dash here, and I was able to locate this. This is our red wire that goes out under the hood to the horns. And right now, if I connect it to a 12-volt source, it doesn't seem to be doing anything. I think that's just due to a dirty connection under the hood, though. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and clean that connection up. Got my head mechanic over here. He just cleaned up that terminal for me. And I think we're just going to replace the end on the wire.
I don't even mess with it. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
That's no good.
Yeah. Cut it. We'll cut it, and got plenty of wire. So.
Yep. All right. So that was pretty easy. I just put a new terminal on here, so that should make a nice solid connection there. We won't have to worry about that anymore. So now, if we take this wire that goes to our horn and we attach it to 12 volts, we should get sound out of it. Yep. So that's all good to go. So now it's just a matter of wiring the rest of it up. Now the way we're going to do that is Road King is generous enough to buy this fancy harness for us here.
Yeah, you know what? By the time I got done buying a relay and then a socket and then an inline fuse, it would have cost it would probably cost equal or more.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Yeah.
That saves you a lot of trouble.
So this is all hooked up for you, buddy.
Yeah, so all we got to do is get some power to it, which is that wire you got right there, run that right to the solenoid.
Yeah, you know, you can't run to the battery because there's only like maybe 1 or 2 threads. Well, I hate them side terminals.
Yeah.
So that's a good idea. Go from the solenoid.
Yeah, take that to the solenoid, and then we could probably mount this maybe on the firewall, like right near that brake booster or something.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Because all we got to hook up to it is the one wire that goes to the horns, and then 2 wires that'll run to the button and then to some other 12-volt source. So should be pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
Alright, we're all done outside the truck here. We got our positive fused wire running straight to the hot side of the starter solenoid, and then that runs over here, and we've got a relay pretty tucked in here back behind the brake booster and just zip tied up our extra wires here, and then it just connects into our original wire that ran straight to the horns. So that's good to go there. And then all we got to do is go inside now where we've got our wires to energize the coil. Alright, we got our interior wiring completed here. It's pretty straightforward. We just have our two coil wires from the relay coming in. So one's got to be grounded, so we just made this little jumper that goes to ground, and then the other end needs to get positive when we want the horn to be sounded. So we just pulled some positive off the battery terminal of the ignition switch and then ran it through this little push button. So now, push the button, the horn works.
Go ahead, try it. Get out of the way! Alright.
So we just got to mount this switch up now. You got any idea where you want to put that switch? Were you thinking like maybe like up here?
Yeah, right here, right next to a bolt there.
Yeah.
That way you can reach it.
Oh yeah, that should work good. Alright, we're all installed here. It looks turned out pretty clean. Got all our
done,
wires.
buddy?
What's that? Yeah.
Let me check it out.
Alright, go ahead.
Let me test it.
Go ahead, Road King.
Hey, get the out of the way!
Oh man, it works, buddy.
Works good, buddy.
Yeah. Alright, well I think that that's probably going to be the end of this video, unless we come up with something else to do. So I think I'm going to say enough of this, buddy. See you in the next one.